Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. In our previous video, we learned multiplying signed numbers. Now we are going to be talking about dividing signed numbers. The rule for dividing signed numbers are the following. For first point, when the divisor or the top is different from 0 and both the dividend and divisor have the same sign, then the result, which is the quotient, is positive. So this is our dividend over the divisor. So if we have positive number over positive number, the result should give us a positive number. Also, if we have negative number over a negative number, the result should still give us a positive number. So the second point is when the divisor is different from 0 and the dividend and the divisor have opposite sign, then the result, which is the quotient, is a negative number. So when we have a negative number over a positive number, the result is negative number. Also, when we have a positive number over a negative number, the result is negative number. These 4 points are the essential rules for dividing signed numbers. And we know that for all these rules, the divisor or the bottom must not be 0. In any case, the bottom is always different from 0. Divisor always different from 0. Now let's do some examples. Let's say 12 divided by 4, or we can write it as 12 divided by 4. Both numbers 12 and 4 are positive, so the result should be positive, and 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So same thing here, 3. Let's do negative 12 divided by negative 4. You can write it as negative 12 divided by negative 4. In this case, both numbers are negative. Negative 12 is a negative number, negative 4 is a negative number. So our result will give us a positive number. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3. Let's move on. Negative 12 divided by 4. That's negative 12 divided by 4. In this case, we have negative 12 as a negative number and 4 as a positive number. So both numbers here have opposite sign, one being positive and the other being negative. So the result will be negative and is negative 3. Let's do this one. 12 divided by negative 4. 12 divided by negative 4. Here we still have two numbers having opposite sign. 12 is positive, negative 4 is negative. So the result is negative 3, a negative number. Negative 3, a negative number. So let's do some more examples. 16 divided by 8, 18 divided by -4, boom, -9, let me put 9, -21 divided by -3, -9 divided by 9. So for this, you can pause the video and try them before we continue. Okay, I hope that you tried. So for the first one, we have two positive numbers, so the result is positive and is equal to 2. For the second one, one number is negative and the second one is positive, so they have opposite signs. 18 divided by -9 is -2. Here we do have, for the third problem, we have both numbers being negative, so the result should be positive. So -21 divided by -3 is 7. And for the fourth question, we have -9 divided by 9. One number is negative, the other one is positive, so the result should give us a negative number, and it's -1. -9 divided by 9 is -9. So if you try solving it and did not get it right, I suggest that you rewatch or view the video again from the beginning and then come back and try. Sometimes instead of asking us to find the quotient, we can be asked to find the dividend or the divisor. The question can be find the missing number or find x from the equation, and it can be like 44 divided by x equal to -11. So in this case, we know 44, which is the top. We are dividing 44 by a number that we don't know, we call it x, and the result should give us -11. So what we can realize is our result is negative, and one of the numbers here is positive. So the second number has to be negative, because when they have opposite sign, the result is always negative. So my x is a negative number, and 44 divided by what number gives me -11, and the answer is -4. So 44 divided by -4 should give me -11. So these two numbers must be opposite sign in order to have a negative sign as result. So 44 divided by -4 equal to -11. Let's do 28 divided by x equal to 14. So the result is positive, so we have two cases. If both numbers are positive, the result will be positive. Or if both numbers are negative, the result should be positive. In this case, we have one number and we know it being positive. So in order for the result to be positive, the second number should be also positive. And 28 divided by what number give us 14? The answer is 2. So 28 divided by 2 equal to 14. I can rewrite it here as 28 divided by 2 equal to 14. Let's finish this topic by recalling that 0 divided by any number equals 0, right? So if I have 0 divided by any number, actually give me 0. any number divided by 0 is undefined. So any number divided by 0 is undefined. And finally, 0 divided by 0 is also undefined. 0 divided by 0 is undefined. Alright. Now before you go, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you for the next topic. Thank you.